Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for wardrobe consultation, business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's build it with Wix editor. Here enter your business type or your website type, wardrobe consultation. So for example, let's choose this and let's move on. You can choose whatever you want. Now let's continue. Enter your business name, type any business name you want. So here if you want to add something to your website, so I'm gonna choose them all here. Now go to dashboard. So now design your site, click here. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Here enter your information, your business name, your email and your logo, your phone, and if you want to add a social link here. So let's continue. Now pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. Now if you want to add page to your site, wait a few seconds preparing the homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. So the first element here, you have the text element. If you want to edit the color or the size or the form of the text, and here you can choose the same text you want. Now let's move on to the titles or the paragraphs. So also the titles, you can manage the form of the titles. So let's move on to the image. Here if you want to upload or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. So that's it. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon button, sorry, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and you have here the documents and the iTunes button. And here if you wanna add some payment buttons on your home page, you have to add some payment buttons on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find the classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, and testimonials and team. So you can select any one of these and you add it on your home page at any place you want. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the same lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Here you find picture art featured, icons, animals and nature, and logos and badges and characters. And also here you find the video elements. We find the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the box. The box elements, here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. So you can select any one of these boxes here. Now let's move on to the galleries element. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on to the menus and the anchor. Here you find the same menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here you find the in-page navigation if you want to add anchor or in-page menu, and the last here is the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your home page: the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the Weaver forms and subscribe forms. Here you find the Google Maps, the full width maps or the normal maps, and here the last is the Wix chat and the line share button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next element. Here find video and music. If you want to add something from this section of the video elements, if you want to add single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, or here if you want to add something from the music elements, audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here find the slideshows, the full width slideshows, the box slideshows, and here find the light boxes. Yeah, you can add something from this welcome, subscribe, promotion, and contact, or from these boxes, hover boxes and the tabs, or from these repeaters, these hover repeaters. So let's move on to the list element. Here find the repeaters and the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. So let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add single video players, and here if you want to add something from the audio elements, or if you want to add something from the advanced section here. Let's use the animation elements. You can add something from the animation. So let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add something from the social bar you want here, or if you want to add the Facebook link, sorry, if you want to add something from this Facebook link, Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK or line share link, or if you want to add something like YouTube link, your channel or Wix channel. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, is the payment section. If you want to add something from the payments buttons or the payment forms or the pricing plans, if you want to add something from the store. So that's it. Now let's move on to the CMS. If you want to use the CMS, you can easily manage your site content. Here the blog section, if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. If you want to add something from the store, or if you want to add something from the bookings elements or from the related elements or from the pricing plans. If you want to manage and create, if you want to create and manage events, if you want to manage your community section, and the last here is your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. If you want to add section, select any one of these. You can add section on your home page. So let's move on to the next. If you want to add page, so here you can add page you want on your home page. So select any one of these and you can add it on your home page. So let's move on to the site design. If you want to customize your site design, you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. You can add apps here if you want to manage your business, or if you want to upload your media. You can edit images and videos if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos. You can use the CMS. You can easily manage your site content. And the last here, if you want to manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from design your website, all you have to do now is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.